Do you know how animation can transform learning into an exciting adventure for kids? Hello, curious minds. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of easy animation in education. Buckle up as we explore how this magical tool can revolutionize the way children learn and create unforgettable experiences. Traditional teaching methods often struggle to fully engage young learners. The monotony of textbooks and lectures can leave kids feeling uninspired. But fear not. There's a solution that can turn the tables. Enter Canva AI 2024 Kids Animation. This cutting-edge technology brings learning to life by weaving animation seamlessly into educational content. Imagine history lessons with animated historical figures, math problems solved by quirky characters, and science concepts explained through delightful visuals. Interactive learning, Canva AI 2024 Kids Animation encourages active participation. Kids become co-creators, designing their own animated stories or exploring pre-made templates. Visual memory boost, animated visuals stick in our minds like Velcro. Complex topics suddenly become crystal clear when presented through playful animations. Engagement galore, no more yawning in the back row. Animated lessons capture attention, making learning an adventure rather than a chore. Let's peek behind the curtain. Here are some mind-blowing examples of how easy animation can transform learning. Science Safari, explore the solar system alongside quirky planets.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus.
Explaining concepts. Break down complex concepts into bite-sized animations. For instance, explain the butterfly cycle using animated eggs, caterpillar, and chrysalis. Language learning. Teach vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation through animated flashcards or short clips. Create animated dialogues for language practice. Incorporating easy animation into education isn't just about fun, it's about effective learning. By tapping into kids' innate curiosity, we create a bridge between knowledge and excitement. Let's keep education engaging, shall we? Ready to explore the magic of Canva AI 2024 Kids Animation? Dive into the animated wonderland and share your thoughts on how animation can enhance learning in the comments below. Together, let's make education an unforgettable journey. Hey, since you're still here, check out our other AI animation video playlist. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.